Bye, Grandma. Bye, Mama. I love you.
Brothers and sisters, telephone. I just want to thank everyone for coming here tonight, or this morning. Sorry, it still feels nighttime to me. But thank you for coming. I have a lot of memories of my lovely grandma. She's the light of our life. And now that she's gone, it feels like we have this empty, missing spot. But I just deal with it. One of my special memories I have with my grandma was when we were really young. This was when Alfred and Dana came from Samoa, and Mama used to take care of them as well. Mama and Papa used to watch us 24/7 because my parents used to work. And while we were at home, I would be home, my brothers and sisters would come home, and we'd all sit in the room, and we'd all, one day, Mama and Papa would return back to Samoa for some High Chief thing. My God, it was a tie. While they returned back to Samoa, we all went to their room, and we just started playing Boyz II Men. And it's hard to say goodbye, and we would just start bawling. And we would just start thinking about times like this, like, what if Mama dies? And we would just start crying. And now that it finally happened, I literally cried ever since the day my grandma left. It's so hard because she lives with us now, and with all the uncles and aunties, she moved everywhere, so she finally is back with Mom and us now. And every morning I get up, even though it's 5 in the morning, get ready for work, she's always up. And I look right at her, and I'm like, Mama, Mom. She's like, And, God, go out and do it. He's like, yeah, mamuia. And I would bend over to her and she would give me like 1,000 kisses. I'm like, yeah, go keep quiet out. But I miss those kisses so much. I miss my grandma so much. Out of the billions of memories I have too many memories to tell you guys, but I love my grandma so much. She's a strong woman. She's just a wonderful woman. She comes from really great parents, so it made my grandma a great woman. And also my Uncle Mapu is her brother. I love you, Uncle Mapu. Tayo so moliaso mama. Also Auntie Silva, Auntie Peppa. I see Auntie Laloifi too.